So I would like to talk about how does snow form. However, before I talk this topic, I have a question. What do you think about snow? I think most people say beautiful and cold. Of course, me too. But I am afraid of snow a little because when I was elementary school student, I went to Nagasaki to ski. Then I rode a ski lift and I went up to the top. After that, men who are walking there said me, "Please go straight." However, I made a mistake. Wow! And I slipped off the top. Fortunately, I wasn't injured. But I am afraid of snow a little from then. Have you ever experienced such a trouble? If you haven't, and if you go skiing in somewhere, please be careful. By the way, my topic is how does snow form? Snow is formed from clouds. So, I easily would like to talk about clouds before I talk my topic. Clouds are formed by the gain of small water gather, but clouds, which are several kilometers or more, are formed by the gain of small water and ice crystals. Moreover, clouds in a high layer feature mixed the grain of water and crystals of ice. Then crystal of ice gather steam around and it which fell to the ground without melting becomes snow. This time I researched for how does snow form, and I found snow is very interesting. It makes people happy and sometimes sad. Also, it attracts people. If I have time, I think I'm going to see the snow. Thank you for listening to my presentation.